Well, it happened, and we're going to get into this. If you're looking around trying to figure out why Shiba Inu is down, and quite frankly, why a lot of your altcoins and other tokens that you own right now are down, I'm going to tell you exactly what is going on, and we're going to talk about the fallout from that event, and this video. Okay, so right here, right now, SHIB's down 5%. It has given up a 0 and gone backwards 1 to the 988 range. I fully expected that this was going to happen today. In fact, I talked about this in videos yesterday. If you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe and like button because I talk about SHIB every single day and I talk about the overall market conditions. Okay, so here's what's happening. So SHIB down about 5%, actually weathering the storm pretty good relatively compared to the overall market. Bitcoin and Ethereum are down 4%, and Bitcoin is definitely going to slide below 19,000 today, and Ethereum will probably slide below 1,000 today. So here's what's happening. The U.S. inflation data report has come out today, and it went to 9.1%, okay? Now, you may be going, what does this inflation data report have to do with crypto? Why should you care? Here's what's going on. So inflation is the centerpiece, major macroeconomic bad catalyst that's impacting the stock market and crypto market. It is one of the key reasons that the crypto market's capitalization has gone from north of 2 trillion to less than 1 trillion to 852 billion as of right now. Okay. And so the inflation report is what we all watch and pay very close attention to. So we were expecting an inflation report for it to rise to about 8.8%. That was going to be the June report, right? That's the one that we just got today, okay? It did not come in that way. It rose 1.3% to 9.1, a much bigger than expected number. And what this report basically is saying is that inflation is continuing to rise. If you don't know what inflation is or why you should care, inflation is simply this. Everything in our life costs more with inflation. It costs more to put gas in your car and your truck. It costs more to go to the grocery store to feed yourself, your family. It costs more for everything you buy in your daily life, period. Okay? And thus, because inflation is higher and everything costs more in your life, it creates a lot of fear and doubt and uncertainty about where are we going to be tomorrow? Where are we going to be down the road? Okay. And oh, by the way, it gives people less discretionary income to be able to invest in stocks and invest in crypto. And also, it creates this fear mentality of like, you know what, I'm going to pull my money out of stocks and out of crypto because I am just scared because of what is going on. Now, those are very simplified versions of inflation and what it's doing. Oh, by the way, we got this fear of recession thing going on over here. So the fact that this has happened is just wreaking havoc. If you look at this, it's wreaking havoc on the stock market, on crypto. The futures this morning were up about 150 points. They're now down. So you're seeing the stock market tumble. Crypto is starting to move down. All of this is a direct reflection of this report. Okay. Again, this is going to be here for a little bit. This is our reality. So SHIB is actually looking pretty attractive, quite frankly, right now from a buy position. It's looking pretty good if you're not investing advice, right? So do what you will, but I'm probably going to be adding to my SHIB holdings because I think that this is definitely a catalyst that's a short-term catalyst. If you're building the long-term viability of crypto and SHIB, etc., it's a good thing. So that's what I've got for you right here, right now, but it did happen, and we're watching the fallout of it right here, right now. Have a good one. I'll see you.